Although not everyone knows the real God, except like us, who has God as our Father. So Mary found favor with God. She is truly blessed, and we like God's favor. But if we truly like God's favor, sometimes it's hard to understand. Even Mary didn't understand at the first. Under God's favor, she will conceive a son. She will be used by God so that Jesus Christ in the flesh could become a man. But Mary didn't understand this miracle. So in verse 34, this is what Mary said. Then said Mary unto the angel, how shall this be, seeing I know not a man? ខ្ញុំមិនស្គាល់ប្រណាផងដូច្នេះតើធ្វើដោយម្ដេចនឹងការនេះសម្រេចបាន